to power minus 1. Find the value of, if any time power is negative, first of all negative power convert in positive and values will reciprocal. Like 5 upon 8, 8 upon 5, power is 1. Power 1 doesn't affect, it means 8 upon 5 to power 1, it means 8 upon 5. Any time negative, if negative power, then negative power convert in positive एंड वैल्यूज़ रेसिप्रोकल. वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी? रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगी. इट मीन्स वैल्यू जस्ट अपोजिट हो जाएगी और निगेटिव पावर हमारा क्या हो जाएगा? पॉजिटिव में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. लाइक सेकेंड पार्ट, -4 अपॉन 9 टू पावर -1. इट्स 9 अपॉन -4 टू पावर 1. 9 अपॉन -4 टू पावर 1. निगेटिव डिनोमिनेटर में निगेटिव का कोई इफेक्ट. डिनोमिनेटर, इफ निगेटिव साइन इन द डिनोमिनेटर वी सेंड इन द न्यूमरेटर -9 अपॉन 4. 9 अपॉन -4 को लिखेंगे -9 अपॉन 4. निगेटिव पावर कन्वर्ट इन पॉजिटिव. क्लियर? निगेटिव पावर को पॉजिटिव में कन्वर्ट करेंगे और वैल्यूज़ का रेसिप्रोकल कर देंगे. क्लियर? नाउ मूव ऑन द क्वेश्चन 7. क्वेश्चन 7 इज verify the following. Verify type question I was explained in the previous class also. First of all we find the LHS, we find the RHS. If both values same, then question is verify. Like question 7th first part, 3 upon 7 into 5 upon 6 plus 12 upon 13 equals to 3 upon 7 into 5 upon 6 plus 3 upon 7 into 12 upon 13. Clear? 3 upon 7 into 5 upon 3 upon 6, 7 into 12 upon 13. Now first of all we solve the bracket into 13 6 78. LCM लेके चेक कर भी सकते हैं आप. 6 और 13 का LCM लेंगे तो वैल्यू हमारी क्या आएगी? 78. Take the LCM. You take the LCM after then calculate. 13 6 are 78. Then 13 into 5. 6 13 ja 78. 13 into 5. 13 6 ja 78. It means 6 into 12. 3 upon 7 into 65. 12 6 ja 72 upon 78. It's the LHS running. Clear? LHS portion. Now 3 upon 7 into 5 to 7, 7 6 13, 137 upon 78. Clear? Again 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 6 ja 18. Clear? It's 26. वैल्यू क्या होगी? 137 and 7 6 are 42, 2 carry is 4, 7 2s are 14 and 4 18. Clear? 137 upon 182. Now start the RHS. RHS लेंगे. RHS हमारा क्या था? 3 upon 7 into 5 upon 6 plus 3 upon 7 into 12 upon 13. Now 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 1 5 ja 5, 5 upon 14. Clear? Plus any values cutted? No. 12 3 ja 36 upon 13 7 ja 91. 36 12 3 36 upon 13 7 ja 91. Clear? Now take the LCM of 14 and 91. 14 91 2 7 ja 14. It's 91 not divisible. Again 7 1 ja 7. It's 13. Again it's 1. It's 1. So now 2 7 ja 2 into 7 into 13. 2 7 ja 14 into 13. 14 into 13 calculate into 13. 14 3s are 42. 1 14s are 14. It's 182. Clear? So now LCM is 182. Clear? Again 14 how many times is 182 divided by 14? Value is 13. 13 into 5. Again 91. 182 divided by 19. It's 2 times divisible. plus 2 into 36. 13 5s are 65 plus 72 upon 182. Again 5 2 7 7 6 13 137 upon 182. Look here, LHS value is also 137 upon 182. RHS value is also 137 upon 182. LHS equals to RHS. It means question is verified. Clear? Because LHS and RHS both value same, then question is verified. Clear? Now move on the question 8. Follow the same process. Calculate the LHS and calculate the RHS. LHS को कैलकुलेट करेंगे, RHS को कैलकुलेट करेंगे और दोनों वैल्यूज़ हमारी क्या होनी चाहिए, सेम होनी चाहिए, तभी आपका क्वेश्चन वेरीफाई होगा. इफ वैल्यूज सेम देन क्वेश्चन इज वेरीफाइड. क्लियर? नाउ क्वेश्चन 8. नेम द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ द मल्टीप्लिकेशन illustrated by each of the following statements. Property I was explained in the previous class. Look here, AB into BA. It's looking like A, it's B. A into B equals to B into A. It's which property? Is the commutative property of multiplication. Commutative property of multiplication. Look here, is the which property? It's minus 2 upon 3 into minus 7 upon 9 into 9 upon 2, minus 2 upon 3 into 7 upon 9 into minus 9 upon 3, minus 2 upon 3 into in the bracket 7 upon 9 into minus 9 upon 5. Only change of the brackets, bracket changes. It means like it's the associative property. So now I will explain the property, write the name of the property and fill in the blanks. Also is the based on the summary of this of the property. Clear? So now 8 and 9 questions solve yourself. Now start the divisions of the Russell number. Division of the Russell number. If A by B and C by D are two rational numbers such that C by D is not equals to 0. C by D is not equals to 0. We define A by B divided by C by D. So now firstly we convert C by D, do the reciprocal of the C by D and division sign change in multiplication. Clear? When A by B is divided by C by D, then A by B is called the dividend of C by D, is called the divisor of the divisor, and the result is known as the quotient. A by B is called the dividend. B by A by B को divide कर रहे हैं, divided जिस portion को divide करते हैं that is the dividend, जिस number से divide करते हैं उसे क्या बोलते हैं, divisor. C by D is the divisor and result is known as the quotient. Clear? Now move on, the exercise is 1E exercise. Simplify. All are the division question. So now before few seconds I will explain. Firstly, division sign convert in multiplication and divisor do the reciprocal of divisor. Look, exercise 1E question first part 4 upon 9 divided by minus 5 upon 12. 4 upon 9. Clear? Division symbol change in multiplication and do the रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ डिवाइज़र. डिवाइज़र का रेसिप्रोकल करेंगे, डिवाइजन सिंबल को मल्टीप्लिकेशन में चेंज करेंगे और डिवाइज़र का रेसिप्रोकल करेंगे. इस मीन्स 12 अपॉन माइनस 5. अब कोई वैल्यूज कट होगी तो कट करेंगे, अदरवाइज न्यूमरेटर मल्टीप्लाई बाय न्यूमरेटर, डिनोमिनेटर मल्टीप्लाई बाय डिनोमिनेटर. लुक हियर 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. Any other number cutted? No. So now 4 4s are 16, 3 5s are 15, 15 16 अपॉन माइनस 15, अदरवाइज इसी को लिख सकते हैं माइनस 16 अपॉन 15. क्लियर? 4 4s are 16, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 3 5s are 15, it's negatives, minus 16 upon 15. Clear? One more question of same part. Suppose question number 3rd. Minus 12 upon 7, it's divided by minus 18. Clear? Minus 12 upon 7 as it is. Division symbol change in multiplication. Minus 18, इट मीन्स यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर क्या है, 1 है, तो माइनस 18 का रेसिप्रोकल करेंगे तो क्या होगा, 1 अपॉन माइनस 18, माइनस 18 1 अपॉन माइनस 18. क्लियर? नाउ कट. 6 3 ज़ा 18, 6 2 ज़ा 12, 6 3 ज़ा 18, 6 2 ज़ा 12. नेगेटिव नेगेटिव ऑल्सो कैंसिल आउट. नाउ 2 1 ज़ा 2, 7 3 ज़ा 21. I repeat again. 6 3 ज़ा 18, 6 2 ज़ा 12. अगेन ये 2 यहाँ लिखिए, नहीं तो दोनों मिक्स हो जा रहा है. नाउ इफ़ एनी वैल्यूज़ अदर वैल्यूज़ कटेड, नो, देन 2 1 ज़ा 2, 7 3 ज़ा 21, 2 अपॉन 21. क्लियर? नाउ नेगेटिव नेगेटिव ऑल्सो कटेड. नाउ क्वेश्चन सेकेंड, इट्स द वेरीफाई whether the given statement is true or false. Clear? Verify and find out the given statements is true or false. Like